Uh-oh, look, y'all. Look at that fish frying.
Yeah, oh.
Fam, we got our food from Fish Fry Wright. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're in line, man. This spot right here is called Fish Fry. Yo, they from Burlington, New Jersey. They from South. Is that South Jersey?
Yes,
so South Jersey.
Fish Fry Wright.
Fish Fry Wright. Okay. Oh, we got to throw in the right, y'all. We got thank this young lady right here. Think this young lady here. That looks like y'all related.
I'm her mother.
You her mother? What? Girl, you look good. You look good. That's my family, y'all. Word is born. Anyway, we're here, man, on Halsey Street, and they're having the Halsey Street Festival. All right. Oh, that's what's up. Work it out. We thought we'd stop by this truck, man, even though they from Burlington, and y'all know we love Newark, but we just like their effort. We like their effort to come up, you know.
We also like our brothers, okay? So they can be from Burlington if they want to.
It's like, now y'all know we do like our brothers and our sisters, but it ain't just a black thing, man. We willing to try any type of food, Italian, Chinese, whatever. But we here today. What'd you say though? What was that you said?
He said he's Irish.
Oh, he's Irish. So look, word is born. That's my Irish brother back there. We're gonna get some more information. Look, look. So, are we in the way? I'm in the way. People trying to order. Sorry about that, man. So let's check it out, man. See what's going on here. I know y'all hear some music in the background, but we're gonna see about this truck. Hey, how you doing? What's up, man? All right, good seeing you, my brother. Uh-oh, look, y'all. Look at that fish frying.
Yeah, oh.
That's whiting, y'all. Got them French fries in there. They don't look like no ordinary fries, neither. Look like they did a little extra with them, y'all. Let's check it out. Check it out. And this is tartar. I'm gonna put this on the fries. What is it?
Zingy mustard.
Huh?
Zingy mustard.
Gazzini? What's gazzini?
It's zingy.
Zingy. Zingy. Zingy.
Sauce that I make is a homemade sauce that goes.
Homemade sauce that goes with the fish.
Yes.
All right, y'all. We got the homemade zingy mustard.
You ain't put it on there, bro. You ain't put the homemade
I ain't put it on the fish. I put it on the fries.
Oh.
All right, let me try a piece on the fish.
Yeah, I got you. Come on.
Let me get out the way too. That's it, y'all. Just came from Fish Fry Wright. Caught me a little squat here at the bus stop, y'all. Look, don't tell nobody. Look, y'all, I got my pineapple soda. Had to try pineapple soda. It just sounded so delicious with this thing here. Let's check it out. Check it out. What's up, fam? We got our food from Fish Fry Wright, man. Let's check it out. I couldn't eat over there, man, because the music's playing loud. We're at the Halsey Street Festival in Newark, New Jersey. Let's check out the fries. Let's check out the fries first. I got that special sauce on them fries. Wow. That's pretty good. Their soft fries are a little crunchy, but they're delicious. I don't know if it's that sauce. That's some good sauce. That's some good sauce, y'all. I had to wave the bus off. I didn't want the bus stop and open the door and I'll be like, okay. We're gonna shoot through this real quick. The fish, right? It's whiting, but one thing I do notice is the big whiting. They have real big whiting, and then they have smaller pieces. I prefer the smaller pieces when I'm shopping for whitey. All right, whiting. Okay, whiting. Let's check it out. I put a little hot sauce on it, y'all. It's good and hot, y'all. Look at the skin. I mean, look at the meat. This tastes really fresh. Okay. It's official, y'all. It's official. Those flavors are settling in my mouth, man. It's delicious. I want some more sauce, though. The hot sauce is working, and that tangy sauce, we gotta get the name of it again. I'm gonna put the name up right here. Y'all heard the name earlier, but y'all know I'm not big on fries neither. The fries are delicious. This spot is in Burlington, New Jersey. Hold up. See, these are big pieces of whiting, man. But they taste really fresh. And them jokers are frying it right there. And it's not like they frying it and it's sitting in the pan somewhere for an hour. They frying it fresh. I need more sauce. And I can't just leave my stuff over here. I want more sauce. Let me try to dip it in. I'm thirsty too. Look, y'all got a fork. This is the perfect drink with fried whiting fish and french fries. Hold up, y'all bear with me. Can I slide next to you real quick, bro? I got too much in my hand, man. I'm doing. Thanks, man. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. See the work I be doing, man? People don't know. I'm coming back for more sauce. Y'all gotta get this zangy sauce, man.
Now, what is that?
It's zangy, it's delicious.
You know what, I show my parents the page too, man.
We not live. Well, let's take a photo then.
Word up. I don't know.
Come on, take a selfie.
I ain't
Come on, man. You gotta hurry up. I'm doing a review.
about full, God. Peace. Word up.
All right. Thanks again for watching the channel, man.
Definitely.
Oh, I gotta go back over here to the bus stop. Oh, they done took my seat. It's Matt DV. Yup, check us out. All right, y'all, I lost my seat, but we gonna make it do what it do right here. We gonna make it do what it do right here. See what happened? See what happens when you leave? I think that's gonna hold up there. Look how much sauce I got on it, y'all. Look. Look at that, look at that. I put a whole lot of sauce. They call it zangy sauce, I believe. It's delicious. I put the fries in it. Yeah, hold up. Oh, I never did pause the video. Oh, the sauce. The fish is delicious. Whatever batter they're using is not too much, it's perfect. When you add that homemade zangy sauce, it's delicious from the Fish Fry. It's the Fish Fry Wright. Their name is probably right, but it's called Fish Fry Wright, man. If you ever down in Burlington, New Jersey, give them a check out. Oh, you know what? I didn't even know that I didn't notice there were bread under there. Look at that bread, y'all. I didn't know the bread was there. Oh, junk. No way I can wrap this up, man. I gotta sit here and eat it all. Look at that fish shot, y'all. Look at the fish shot. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. Coming to you live from Newark, New Jersey at the Halsey Street Festival. They got mad food trucks out here, so I had to pick and choose, man, and the one I picked was Fish Fry Wright, the Fish Fry Wright truck from Burlington, New Jersey. Let's give it up to them, man. They did a great job. Delicious. This was, I think this was $12. If it wasn't, I'm gonna put the price right here. All right, I forget the exact price. It was $12 or $14. All right, I'll put the price right there. That was for the fish and the fries. And that fish is good. Especially the ones when you add that sauce to it. All right, here we go. Y'all know I don't be eating a lot of bread, but that bread done sopped up some of that sauce. What up? My brother.
How you feeling?
Pretty good.
Which car next weekend now?
Where?
Miami.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna be in Georgia.
Hello, man. How you doing?
Good, man. Got my network events about to start.
Oh, okay. Where at?
My 50-yard broad.
Oh,
This
okay.
space 4-4.
Okay.
Are you going?
No. I planned on having my film finished. That was going to be my motivation to go, but
Right.
still, recording.
Yeah, I'm about done. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hang with the wrong people. I love all you cats, man. Thanks for supporting the channel. I'll see you at the next one. Peace.